Hi guys, I'm Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax in Dallas, and today we're going to be looking at some of my favorite things with the Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf. One of my favorite things about the Sea Ray SDX 250 Surf is the flip-down submergible swim platform. This is below the water level. On a hot summer day, you can chill back here. There's room for multiple people. It's very rare that you see a submergible swim platform that is this size, as well as a retractable ladder. So you can chill here while people can use that to get in and out of the boat, as well as if you have any dogs on board. It's a super easy step up to hop into the boat. Another amazing feature is the complete transom walkthrough. On most towboats that you see in the market, you're having to crawl over a bunch of stuff. You don't have that easy hop in from the lake, hop into the boat, as well as this beautiful L shape that comes with the transom walkthrough. It's an absolutely gorgeous toll area on this boat. And last but not least, this boat comes equipped and ready to go with surf tabs, as well as subfloor ballast system that fills the boat up with water, weighs down the back of that boat, and allows for a beautiful wave in the back. This truly is comfortable, luxurious, and completely versatile for every age range on the market. It's super unique. Once again, I'm Ryan Nicolaitis at MarineMax Dallas. Let's come and see this beautiful SDX 250 Surf.